Hello everyone. Welcome to the University of Cumbria Business School presentation. I'm Dr. Raye Ng, and I'll be going through some of the programs that we offer at the University of Cumbria in the United Kingdom. So your journey with us, all our undergraduates have a very strong confidence building in your first year. We very much want to ensure that you have the really strong ground in the subject areas of the pillars of business and management and accounting. We even have the integrated foundation year, so this is 4 years in total. So after the first year of study, level 4, for example, and let's say you've signed up for the accounting and finance program, you will also be in the same class as the international business students in the same year. So the joy of that is at the end of the first year, if you feel that you got a better sort of understanding and a passion for marketing or HRM or international business or accounting, there is still the opportunity to change your course in the second and third year. That is a detraction of a lot of our students. Um, a lot of our teaching is based on the learning experiences and it's engaging these kind of modern case studies that's going around the global economy, and we do it in a very supportive and developmental way. We use the cutting edge theory taught by all our academics who have very high qualifications, including PhDs and professional sort of accreditation in their professional career, from Chartered Institute of Marketing to accountancy, etc. At the business school, we really pride ourselves in providing you with an enhanced student experience and learning through applying the real world problems, the issues and context, especially with the era, the global pandemic, how it's affecting the global economy. We also have the opportunity to offer you placements to support a work experience and work-based learning. And we do that in a kind of blended way, and also using a very strong virtual learning environment, a Blackboard. All our assignments are, diverse and innovative to ensure that you really enjoy and can engage with an assessment. In the first year, you might have exams, about 60% exams because of the core rigor of the first year. And the second, third year, accounting and finance program will have exams, but all the others will be predominantly coursework based. Throughout your study with us, you have the opportunity to develop new skills and knowledge and develop a good understanding on a curriculum. We also ensure and really sort of strengthen our sort of delivery to ensure that you have a very strong employability chance when you graduate after 3 years with us. So therefore, we have a lot of transferable skills embedded within the teaching to your learning process to make sure you're ready for the next step of your journey. We're very strong on developing careers and employability. University is not just a place to study, but also to get those life skills and transferable skills to ensure that you'll be able to go into the graduate world successfully. So these are just some of the sort of elements or opportunities that we offer: placements, year abroad, professional development. We have lots of external speakers who are working in the industry to come in and give you the real life experience as well. And you have the opportunity to take out a placement or interns over the summer or even as a full year with them. Our courses are accredited by the ACCA, CMI, and also we're an accredited member of the Chartered Association of Business Schools. This is the mark of the high quality curriculum and the high quality and rigor of the programs and awards within the business school. We have the 3 year standard full time. We have the 4 years, which includes the foundation a year. We also have the 4 years, which includes the sandwich year or the placement year, and in the 5 category of the pathway. So accounts and finance, the business management, human resource management, marketing, and international business management. We also have a strong sort of top-up route within our portfolio undergrad, including the international business management, business accounts and finance, and international business and communication top-up. Now, the International Business and Communication Top-Up is really one of the cutting-edge programs that is specifically for designed for students who come from a different background of business and management. For example, in a performing arts, they really want to have a top-up degree to enhance their entrepreneur skills and business skills to move back into their curriculum and start business. And that is the real kind of cutting edge top up for students. In the first year, as I said earlier on, these are the fundamentals of business management. So we have from the sort of corporate law, business environment, basic economics, business finance, the principles of marketing, leadership and organizational behavior, and the basics of management accounting. In the second year, you have a selection of 6 modules to choose from here, depending on your specialism. These are all refreshed every year and every semester to make sure the reading list is updated, and the slides and the teaching material are also updated and not just downloaded from the textbooks. We use a range of classic case examples and case studies from broadsheet, and also publish articles and journals. In your final year, in addition to the 4 or 5 modules that you choose, you also have the opportunity to do a dissertation. Some of our students really enjoy the final dissertation, where they have the opportunity to get in depth and to research into the subject of their passion that they studied for over the 2.5 years. And very often, this is also based on the project or with a company that they wish to work for, and eventually that they use that as their sort of case example for their interview, which is quite successful. Now, I want to concentrate now on the business account and finance. We have full 9 ACCA accreditations from the F1 to F9 papers. So what it means is upon finishing your 3-year degree with us in the account and finance, you would have been exempted from all the 9 professional papers, F1 to F9, with the ACCA. And then after that, if you are wanting to be a certified accountant, that you will go on to take further sort of professional papers with ACCA, and you should be a certified accountant within 3 years successfully. So this is one of the bonus and flagship of programs here, the accounting finance, and not many universities can boast a fully accredited accounting finance degree. Now that covers our undergrad programs. I'll move on to our postgraduate programs now. We have the MSc International Management, which is really suitable for students who have just finished an honours degree and would like to pursue an academic degree. You don't need to have necessary work experience here, but you do need to meet a certain grade at the undergraduate level. Now, the MBA, that is a classic case for career enhancement master's program. We would ask that you not only have an honours degree, but you also have at least 2 to 3 years of relevant work experience as a team leader who has managed a budget and had a role in visioning and creating the strategy for your section, your team, or your company. We also have the Masters in Philosophy and the PhD of your choice in terms of the topic. I myself have about 4 PhD students, and it's really, really good to engage on that depth and level on how your PhD students can bring rigor and sort of academic depth to the curriculum as well. Some of the modules of the postgraduate programs are stated here. So as you can see, it is a wide range with the core pillars of the subject matters of business management, but we also have some niche and unique modules such as sustainability issues in business, which is ever so current in the sort of current climate of where we are. The top 5 reasons to study at University of Cumbria. We know who you are. We are a small business school. All tutors know our students by the first name. We have a very good student satisfaction, and that's how students independently rate us based on our courses, the way we organize our classes, the innovative and creative assessments, and the kind of student journey from start to the end. The The third reason for studying with us is we've got academic excellence. A lot of our tutors have PhDs in the relevant sort of specialism, and we also research active, and we also have a postgraduate teaching qualification at a higher education level. We also enjoy a high employability rate of our students. A majority of our students move on to graduate jobs, and we take pride in saying that. We not only just churn out students to get a degree, but we make sure that they are work ready when they finish their studies with us. We also have very strong links with employers, with the industry standards and accreditation. This adds kudos to kind of sort of academic qualifications that you have. So this is just one of the example of a business alumni that they've enjoyed studying with us. And it's not just about studying at university, but it's also about studying hard and working hard and playing hard as well. So this is just some of the graduation photos of our past students in the Carlisle Cathedral. And this is one of the most beautiful campus on in the heart of the Lake District, as the sun sets on our Ambleside campus. And thank you very much for attending the Business Management and Accounting Finance webinar today. Dr. Raye Ng, I'll be here for the remaining time, and I'll be very happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.